In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create clickable room labels in a floor plan that instantly switch the viewer to different rooms in your Shapespark scene. Here's what the final result looks like. When viewing the floor plan, simply click on a room name to jump directly to that location. It's a simple way to improve navigation, especially in larger projects. Now let's see how to set it up. Select the top view or floor plan view. Next, open the Interactivity tab and click the plus button in the Extensions panel. Choose Change View as the extension type. Now click the plus button to add the destination view. Select the walk view that you want this label to open. Next, it's time to create the trigger. Click the plus button under Triggers and choose Sprite as the trigger type. In the text field, enter the name of the room or view. This is the label that users will see in the floor plan. Set the Sprite opacity to 0. This makes the sprite itself invisible while keeping the text label visible and clickable. Now click in the scene to place the trigger. Finally, adjust the sprite's height and position. Increase the Z value so the trigger sits above the ceiling. This keeps it hidden when the user is inside the rooms while still making it accessible from the top view. For the best result, use the same text height and the same Z value for all room labels. This creates a clean, consistent floor plan that's easy to navigate. Repeat these steps for each room, and you'll have an interactive floor plan that lets users move around the project with a single click.